Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to preview video calls with Knock Knock while using Google Meet. First thing you gotta do is open up the app. Then you click on the three lines at the top left corner over here. Then you click on settings. Next you click on calling settings. Then you click on in-call settings. Out of the four options here, we have calling accounts, we have in-call settings, message settings, notification. You click on in-call settings. Now we're here. The next thing, you're going to click on Knock Knock for the device. Now what does Knock Knock do? Knock Knock allows you to see who's calling, to see your friend's video before you answer, and let the people you call also see your video before they answer. So at the bottom here you see Knock Knock for this device is on. It's already on for my device. If you want to turn it off, simply turn it off like this. If you want to leave it on, you simply leave it on. So that is it. Note, you can only control Knock Knock for your device, which means if you cannot see your friend's video before you answer, it means that they did not activate it or turn it on their own device.